honest man, and I'm becoming more indifferent every day. So naturally, all the questions are faded away. Some of the things that I said I hated to say, but blame yourself, motherfucker, you made it this way. I don't think I would, even if I was able to stay. I don't think you good, I would sit to the angels and pray. But everybody gotta deal with theyself. If they cut another throat for the material wealth, if it's a